The assault bike, also known as an air bike, is one of the most effective pieces of fitness equipment for improving cardiovascular endurance, burning calories, and building full-body strength. Unlike a traditional exercise bike, the assault bike uses a large fan to create resistance. This means the harder you pedal and push the handles, the greater the resistance becomes. There are no buttons to increase or decrease the difficulty, the bike automatically matches your effort. One of the biggest advantages of the assault bike is that it provides a true full-body workout. As your legs pedal, your arms simultaneously push and pull the moving handles. This coordinated movement activates major muscle groups throughout your body, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, calves, chest, shoulders, back, arms, and core. Because so many muscles work together, your heart rate rises quickly, making the assault bike one of the most efficient cardio machines available. Another benefit is that the bike is low impact, meaning it places less stress on your knees, hips, and ankles compared to activities like running. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners, older adults, people recovering from certain injuries, or anyone looking for an intense workout without excessive joint strain. Whether your goal is losing weight, increasing endurance, improving athletic performance, or simply becoming healthier, the assault bike can help you achieve it. It can be used for gentle warm-ups, steady-state cardio sessions, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, or short, challenging workouts that deliver excellent results in less time. Before starting any workout, it's important to understand how the assault bike works and how to use it correctly. Proper setup and technique will not only improve your performance but also reduce the risk of discomfort or injury. In the next section, we'll learn how to adjust the bike for the perfect riding position.